Hi, I'm Mios.
And Joey.
Welcome to our LOVEentures.
Sheesh!
Oh, Thursday.
Welcome to breakfast. Welcome to the Windjammer. I'm your girl, Miss Washy Washy.
This is my salmon and sour cream and guacamole and my grapefruit for breakfast and my pancakes.
That's my breakfast, egg and bacon. That's it. And our coffee. Hello, St. Lucia.
Good morning from St. Lucia.
Magandang umaga. Good morning. Our shirt
Yep, we have our lamb shirt on today.
Mali ako. Bali ah.
Balik. Oops. Take two.
Baliktad pala.
Baliktad. Okay, here's our lamb shirt.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah.
So we're gonna have a land and sea excursion.
Ayan ito, pinatali.
And we're gonna see some waterfalls.
Mud bath.
Snorkeling.
That's the best part.
And then we're gonna see the Pitons today.
Pitons.
Excited.
Alright. Here we go. Piton. Sheesh.
Magandang umaga!
We have a water, this is a miracle water that makes you tall.
Thank you.
Alright, we're booked for our excursion and we have to meet up the excursion person at 9:30-ish, something like that, at Diamond International Store. So we're kind of lost here and whoa, there it is, Diamond International. I guess we made it. Woohoo, we're on time. Sheesh.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you guys sleeping still? So welcome to the beautiful island of St. Lucia and thanks for choosing this excursion. Edmund Tours. We are in the capital, which is Castries, and Castries was named after a French minister, Marquis Marshal de Castries. Through one of the busiest streets in the capital, you can find banks, a post office, shopping mall, police station. Wow, there is a strip club, everything on this street. Don't worry, we'll be driving through the banana plantation.
Puso ni Joey Trinidad.
So you want to look for sample?
Just gonna try it.
This one?
Yep.
It's good. Tastes good?
Yeah. That's it.
We're gonna
Coconut
try the
and banana.
coconut
That's it.
rum. So it's $1 per shot.
Isa mo, Kailua na tayo. Oh, there you go.
Thank you. It's good.
So this village have a population of about 3,500 persons who live in a small fishing village. They depend on fishing, agriculture, and they also do a bit of tourism. Right there onto the right hand side, this is the back of the Ancillary Catholic Church. Right there on the right hand side. 65% of St. Lucians are Roman Catholic.
Finally at the Pitons.
Udok na takalala. That was it. Bye. Sheesh.
We're taking the boat to go to our next stop, which is the Bat Cave. After that is Sugar Beach for some swimming and snorkeling. And then some more photo ops with the Pitons. That's the Bat Cave.
Ayun o, nasa taas.
Come on, tall lady, go closer, yeah?
We're here at
They provide everything for the snow.
Sugar Beach to swim and snorkel with a view of the Pitons. Turtles. How much is a turtle? $5. It's ayan na lang para masulatan natin ang laro. Ito na lang.
Ito.
Nope. Mas di mo ka na.
There you go.
Selfie tour, Edmund here.
Edmund Tours.
Wow.
Here at
Anytime you come in St. Lucia, make sure you book Edmund Tours. We are at the Sugar Beach right now, guys. If you have a look, see how beautiful the beach is, guys. Beautiful water.
we're gonna snorkel and
That's
we'll
right.
have free
Rum punch.
Rum.
And fish.
We're gonna try the free rum punch. It's part of the tour for the day. It's good and strong.
Run out today, we'll give you your money back.
And really strong.
Half an hour.
Cinnamon?
There we go, snorkeling time.
So we're back.
We're back. We're gonna eat lunch at one of the restaurants here in
Okay guys, how was lunch?
Hey.
Alright. From here we're going straight to the waterfall. Power shower there. Driving from the waterfall to go to the volcano and do the mud bath. So, are you ready for the waterfall?
Ready.
Alright, so we should be there in the next 5 minutes. And no paperwork.
Let's go! That's good. It feels good though. Oh no, we need it ready. Yeah, we need it ready. Yeah, waterfalls is nice and refreshing. It's like it's a good massage.
The mud bath is not like you're jumping in a pool of mud, so it's a mineral water. The water is warm, it's coming from the volcano. We should be there the next 12 to 15 minutes.
It's gorgeous. I was like, VIPs, you have the whole place to yourself today.
Oh!
Welcome.
Here we are. Look at that. The this one. I'm gonna put this white.
No, swim first, then mud.
Green first, and then the white mud, and then the black one for part.
There you go. Oh no! Are you gonna dip in? Can you do it? Oh my God! Should I shower? Hot water? Too hot. Chicken? I am. Too hot. Holy moly! Oh! Woo-wee! Oh no! The water is too hot. I chicken out in the beginning, but I still make it. I went in. It's hot. Real hot. Yeah, that's what, if you're on the shade. You're super hot. No? Saan ko nalagay lang?
So when you guys go back in the water, you're going to use the water and the mud to do exfoliation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this dry now? To put the black?
It's good. Well, you can go now. You want to put the black?
Yeah.
You want to be the artist? Go ahead, do her.
Okay.
And she'll do you.
Today we have a special love sign and we call it Mud About Love.
That's Smiley right there. Thank you, Smiley.
So these are the entrance fees. But we didn't have to pay because it's included in our excursion fee for the day. Alright.
All the rock punch guys.
He's the wrong punch guy.
All the rock punch.
Yeah, thank you.
Edmund.
Oh, you're the boss.
Yes, I am Edmund. Yeah.
It's the boss.
This is
There it is,
Edmund.
guys. Edmund has all the rock punch.
Everyone had a wonderful day today with me?
Yes.
Awesome.
Alright, so enjoy the rest of the cruise. And thank you very much for visiting again.
And we just have enough time for our last stop of the day, the St. Lucia sign. Let's go! Bye, St. Lucia! We had a great time! We're back from our excursion with Edmund Tours, but that's not.
Oh, it's time.
Like we have a few minutes. And we're about to go up the gangway. Bye! That's mine.
I have the shrimp, the usual, and there she is.
My favorite.
She got her escargot. Oh, and dip it.
May extra. May extra pa palang tortilla chips siya. Happy na naman. That's my carne asada. Yummy. Looks good. And her salad. And there she is again, eating her stuff.
Dessert for me is a vegetarian tofu cheesecake.
Well, mine is flat.
That's St. Lucia. Bye, St. Lucia. And that's the sunset.